If your mascara has never looked quite right, it might not be the mascara. It might be how you're applying it. Most people use mascara the wrong way for their lashes. There's different techniques depending on your lashes, your eye shape, even your age. And I want to share with you two of my favorites. I want you to try both of these and let me know which one works best for you. Or if you have any more issues, do let me know and I'll cover it in a future video. But let's get started. Technique 1, root roll wiggle. You've probably done this one before, but let's just break this down. Look down in a mirror and place the wand right at the lash line, as close to the roots as you can. Now roll the wand clockwise. Roll, don't pull through yet. This rolling technique will actually catch the lashes and get even closer to the roots, pulling them into the bristles of the wand. Now, once you feel that you're getting really close to the upper waterline, lean into the brush and stop rolling. Now you're going to wiggle, moving from side to side. This will build up the product at the roots and then very lightly pull it all the way through. Now, who is this best for? This is best for lashes that are naturally long, but a little bit fine, a little bit spaced out, but they need to add that density. And if you have wide set eyes, this actually brings the eyes a little closer together instead of pulling the shape outwards. Once you do this roll and wiggle technique, you're going to have deep, dark, dense lashes. It's also best for mature eyes because it adds some depth back into the lashes, which can kind of disappear as you get a little bit older. And who should avoid this? Well, if your lashes are short or you're struggling to hold a curl, it actually could be this technique. It's dragging your eyes downwards by adding too much weight. But let's move on to technique 2. Technique 2 is the lift off. Sometimes I like to call this the ROCKSTAR because it lifts the lashes up like a rocket and then it holds it up there like a sparkly star. Now for this technique, I like to do some prep work. I very lightly brush through the lashes with a clean mascara wand. So just wipe off the mascara with a dry tissue so there's barely any product left. This helps to guide the lashes upwards and creates a better hold. Just be sure that your lashes still feel very soft and flexible before we curl them. Otherwise they can end up sticking to the curler. And if you're a beginner or you're a returner and it's been a while since you've used an eyelash curler, you might want to skip this prep work. To get all the lashes to sit in the curler, open it as wide as possible, lay the edge on the edge of the eye, and bring this over the lashes. You want to feed the lashes into the open curler. Now I like to place the curve of the curler against my lid and very slowly kind of push backwards. This little push will actually expose the lashes right at the root just a little bit more. Once you've fed in the lashes and you feel comfortable, you can very slowly close the curler. You don't want to do this too fast because you might catch the skin and that can pinch a little. So do it nice and slowly. Now the longer you hold this, the longer it will hold. So if you have really stubborn lashes, you might need to spend a little bit more time holding it in place. With this technique, mascara is applied in very sheer layers. Focus more on the tips than the roots. We don't want to add weight at the base or it will pull those lashes down. You're lifting the lashes as you go, sweeping up and bringing it out. You never want to overload them. If you still want to add some thickness at the lash line, you can use my invisible liner technique. I'll link it above and below. So who is this technique best for? This is perfect if you have short lashes or your lashes tend to drop throughout the day. And this is also great for close set or downturned eyes because it helps lift everything upwards. So are you a roller or a lifter? I'd love to hear from you, but if you have any more issues with your mascaras, do let me know because I want to do more videos about mascara. And as always, my friends, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you in the next one.